Hello students, you welcome. Today in this second video of idioms, we shall learn some more idioms and let us start with the very first one, that is at the 11th hour. At the 11th hour means in the last moments. Let us take the example. Our team was playing well, but we lose the match at the 11th hour. At the 11th hour means in the very last moments, crucial moments. Next idiom is by leaps and bounds. By leaps and bounds means swift increase in any event or in any phenomena. Let us take the example. Internet users are increasing in India by leaps and bounds. By leaps and bounds. It means a very rapid growth is there. A very rapid growth is there of internet users in India. Next idiom is castle in the air. Castle in the air means extravagant hopes, or the hopes which are hard to achieve or hard to accomplish, to think or to imagine something that is beyond your reach or possibilities. So example is the students should concentrate on the study, instead of making castles in the air. Next idiom is French leave. French leave means absence from duty without permission. It is idiom which shows that the person to whom we are using, he is on long leave without any permission from his senior or the boss. Let us take the example. Two employees of the office are on the French leave. So very clear meaning is there. They are on leave, but they are on leave without any permission. Next idiom is nip in the bud, means to curb something bad, that is bad in the beginning, to root out. So example is we should nip the evil in the bud. The next idiom is to go through fire and water, which means facing difficulties. Let us take the example. You should be ready to go through fire and water to achieve your goal. Okay. Next is hue and cry. It means the loud expression of disapproval or to make a noise in protest of something. Let us take the example. Mrs. Gupta raised hue and cry when The police came to arrest her husband. Came to arrest her husband. Idiom is a hand-packed husband, which means a man under dominance or impression of the wife. Let us take the example. Kumar is a hand-packed husband who never decides anything without the permission of his wife. Without the permission of his wife. It means to say, very simple, Mr. Kumar, who is under the impression of his wife, who is unable to take any decision without her consultation, or he is under the thumb of his wife. He is a hand-packed husband. Next idiom is Herculean task, and Herculean task is an extremely difficult task, or task that seems to be almost impossible. Let us take the example. It has become a Herculean task to control COVID-19. It means it seems very difficult, very impossible to control over the disease of COVID-19. Idiom is get rid of. It means to be free from anything that is unwanted. Let us take the example. The boy asked the doctor. How he could get rid of smoking. So dear viewers, today we discussed 10 idioms, and if you have liked this video, please don't forget to click the like button, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it also. Thank you very much for watching it. Thank you.